Joana here, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to day 16 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we're doing a booty exercise, we're doing kneeling swings. I'm gonna use my super light weights today as well because we're doing 100 reps and this is my finisher. Okay, so down on your knees. This is a great exercise. You're gonna feel that one tomorrow in your glutes, in your hamstrings. So what we're doing a swing, but we are kneeling. So we're gonna keep abs engaged and tight. We're gonna swing back and push through the hips. We're gonna swing up. So this is not for the shoulders. We are not raising arms with shoulders. We are doing it with hips. Get ready for 100 reps. Off we go. Then 20. 30. 40. 50. Take your time, just a few seconds. We've got this. Okay, let's do 50 more. Ready? And 10. 20. 30. 40, last 10. 50 and 100. That was amazing. My booty is absolutely on fire. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed this one. It was quick. It was burning. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 70.